right. I think we're gonna be late for court, but we're on our way. We fell asleep in the city last night. Ascendant Hades and
Hey, stop by the hotel
is it
later.
Kimmy?
Hey, I'm on Life Invader, okay?
Kimmy, and I won't even attempt the rest of it. Thank you for the follow. I do have way too much fun. That's the only reason I do this. Alright, where the heck's the, there we go. Change outfit every day. That's not okay. Uh-oh. We don't want to mask at all. There we go. Alright, how far are we from the courthouse and what do we have on us? We do have a lockpicks. Alright, so we don't have anything bad. Oh god, we're far. We need a car. We need a car. We're never gonna get there in time. Also, hey, DigitalMike Charlie, what's up? Hey, that cool Chris, what the hell's going on? How the hell are you?
I know, man.
Pain who cares with the wet brain.
What was her name
Total
again?
wet brain. Dance monkey, dance monkey, dance monkey.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
How about you later?
Hey, watch out! God damn it! Yeah, this is what we're wearing to court. Hell yeah. Get a fine. We're not getting a suit. We'll get a suit for our court case. We're not gonna dress up for someone else's court case. That's just silly. Oh my god. Parked car. Parked car. Yeah, this is the one we walked up to. This is the one we're going with. Hopefully, this doesn't mean that we're going to jail instead of court. We need to get to court. That's what we're going to tell the police. Hey, goddammit, I'm late for court. Get the nice one at least. Oh, I've got an idea of which one we're going to go. Disrespectful scrub. How dare you? How dare you? That's my only question. How dare you? Ugh. We did not find the keys. It's not a cop. No, not a cop. Come on. It takes forever. Yes, but we got it. We got it. Hell fucking yeah. So I think my lawyer is working at the court tonight, so let's hope that he wins, because then if he wins, that means that he'll probably win for me, and we're going to make a lot of money. Rolling red. What the fuck? God damn it. That's on the whole wrong side of the road. Yeah, we're in the park over here. Don't have to put my phone on. I have to put my phone on like silent. How do we do that? Notify settings? Is that what we need to do? That's already all the way down. Is it streamer mode? Maybe it's streamer mode. Airplane mode? How do we do that? How do I do airplane mode? Oh, airplane mode. Yeah, hopefully that works. If our phone rings in court, our ass is getting kicked out. Blame you. I will.
I think they're talking about what they're going to have for lunch. Knowing Mr. Goodman, he's probably talking about going to the cat cafe.
Oh, why is
And
T-Ray
the other
sitting
one
on
is
the
a cop
floor?
with he must be very much into meat, so he's probably going to go to burger shop. Yep, he just lifted his hand. Things are getting physical.
Ow!
Why are you sitting on the floor?
I've got a lot of anxiety on this case.
Yes.
What's up, Kettle? I can't hear anything.
Yeah, waiting about what to have for lunch. Breakfast tonight, let's go.
I can't hear nothing. Kicked out. We're not getting kicked out for a hobo outfit. No way.
Get the witness. I'm keeping him at the fake.
Okay. So, counsel, charges of the defendant.
Absolutely, sir. Stand by. I'm just going to get them right off the document. Does
Digital
everybody
Michael,
have
how goes
access
it?
to the documents in front of them? I believe they do.
It's going pretty well. We're in court.
No, but the lawyer has them, sir, correct?
Mm-hmm, correct.
So charge number 1 was armed robbery, sir. Charge number 1, armed robbery. And that's a felony that carries a bond fine amount, a fine amount of $10,000 and 90 months in jail. And the second charge was grand theft auto, was a felony charge. And that is a bond amount of $5,000 and 30 months in jail.
Okay. Is there any motions that anyone wishes to raise at this juncture?
Yes, Your Honor. We wish to raise a motion to dismiss the charge of Grand Theft Auto.
Grounds of?
Your Honor, prosecution cannot prove with unreasonable doubt that it was my client who stole the car. It states, Commander Booth states in his report, when he arrested my client, that my client was in the passenger seat and the driver of the vehicle that they had pulled over had ran. So therefore,
Objection,
he
Your
cannot
Honor.
prove that my client stole the car.
Objection, Your Honor. The defendant was in the vehicle and clearly was part of an accomplice to Grand Theft Auto. And if
I'm gonna
he
get
wasn't
closer.
for Grand Theft Auto Direct, he was definitely an accomplice. But I believe, due to the fact, the evidence that we will prove beyond a reasonable doubt, that he definitely was in fact the one who stole the vehicle.
Okay. So you believe that you can prove beyond a reasonable doubt that, in essence, it was him that stole the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
He's a
I'll
cop
let it
defending
stand for
the
moment
department, I
until
guess?
the evidence be presented to that motion. So, unfortunately, you're overruled on that one, Mr. Woodman.
Very well, Your Honor.
So, we'll start with opening statements. So, the prosecution may speak first.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, it's very interesting how, this all came to be. I was actually introduced to the defendant not a couple of days, not even a day before. I actually was introduced to him. The individual came into MRPD looking for a weapons license, and we had quite a nice conversation. I would say that it was my initial impression. The individual was a wonderful, upholding citizen of the law. I thought he was going to be a great person.
Law?
What we did find out after the fact, though, is that this individual holds a dark secret, and that he shows
That's
malice.
speculation.
And this government will prove without a reasonable doubt that this gentleman is a heinous criminal. That
Objection,
does
Your Honor. That is
heinous things.
speculation.
Sorry, you can't object to an opening statement.
We will definitely prove beyond a reasonable doubt this gentleman's intent. We will prove his malice, and we will definitely prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he in fact was the one who not only did he steal the car and used his weapon to steal the car, but he also, on top of that, used that same weapon in the commission of a store robbery up in Sandy Shores. That's all we have, sir.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Goodman for the defense.
Good evening, Your Honor. Prosecution, ladies and gentlemen of the court, thank you for your time. I am here to state prosecution will not be able to prove with unreasonable doubt that my client, Mr. Selensky, robbed the store at Sandy Shores. I'm going to state one thing here now, Your Honor, and that is according to the Penal Code, Section 2-07, under the armed robbery felony charge, it states, a person who takes property from the possession of another against their will by means of force facilitated with a gun or any bladed weapon is guilty under this code section. And they will fail, Your Honor, to prove my client did such things with unreasonable doubt. That is all.
Okay. For the prosecution, your first witness.
Certainly, sir. For before we get started with the witnesses, is it possible that I can ask my other witnesses to step outside the courtroom until they're called?
Yes, if you really desperately want to.
I would like that, because it would just prove my point even further, Your Honor, that what the discussions that I'm going to ask these witnesses cannot be tainted by one another's statements.
Well, obviously, if they were to taint their statements, it would be perjury in a court of law and also contempt of court.
I understand, sir, but just can you bear with me and ask the witnesses that are not currently until they're required, they can just step outside.
Okay. Witnesses, I cannot order you to do so, but I will request, in line with the prosecution's request, that if you would like to step outside, you may do. However, you may also remain.
With the exception of Lieutenant Beach, he'll take the stand first, sir.
With the exception of Lieutenant Beach. Or Lieutenant.
Commander, you can go out too. The prosecution calls Lieutenant Lucky Beach to the stand, sir.
Okay. Lieutenant, if you can approach the stand.
Yes, Your Honor.
Make sure you're shouting as well, Lieutenant.
Yep, that's vocal cord issue.
Are you going to swear him in, Judge? Or?
Yep.
I have a bailiff.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
Right, Miss Lieutenant Beach, you do hear I say you must say the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
All right, Your Honor, may I proceed?
Yes, it's your witness.
Oh, wonderful. All right. Lieutenant Beach, how are you today, sir?
Doing good.
Did he just cross to the will?
Very good, thank you, sir. For the record, would you please state your name, your rank, and your position within the LSPD?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Hmm?
Defense would just request that the prosecution and witness please speak up. It's kind of hard to hear.
My apologies, sir. I'm already speaking as loud as I possibly can.
Okay, it might be best that you do it from the center of the room.
Affirmative, sir. All right, let's try this again. Lieutenant Beach, for the record, will you please state your name, your rank, and your position within the LSPD?
My name is Lucky Beach. I am a lieutenant with the LSPD.
And what is it that you do within the LSPD, Mr. Beach?
I perform normal patrol duties as well as document keeping, such as reports.
Are you a supervisor of any kind, sir?
Yes, I am. I am a supervisor.
And would you please tell me what your responsibility is when it comes to being a supervisor within the LSPD, just so everybody understands?
As a supervisor, I oversee all the ranks lower than mine, such as officer, senior officer, corporal, sergeant. I am basically there to make sure operations are handled properly. I will also state that I am one of the ones that has to review all of the reports, arrest reports, whether they be complete or not. I will have to, speak to officers, let them know if there's something that's missing, or if it's good. I go ahead and sign off on it as well.
Excellent, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your service as well. On top of that, Mr. Beach, I noticed there was a newspaper article that was released with you on the front page of this newspaper article yesterday. Would you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, sir. In that article, it discussed we had a 911 call from Chief Justice here, and he had 3 men that come into the courthouse and with firearms drawn. He gave me a brief description of them as being masked men.
Objection, Your Officer. Relevance.
It goes to motive. It definitely will be very clear shortly, sir. Give me a little leniency.
Objection, your officer.
Okay. Sustained.
Mr. Beach, sustained, sir?
Oh, overruled.
Thank you. Mr. Beach, try and paraphrase a little bit, please.
Okay.
Let's just talk about the article specifically.
So it basically goes into how the call was dispatched. We responded out here.
And you saved the day, right?
Basically, yeah. I don't like to, boast about stuff like that. I'm not a.
I understand.
Objection, Your Honor. That's speculative.
Come on, give me a break. Like, just sip it, all right? Like, holy cow.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can you please tell the prosecution to take a civil tone with me? And
okay, that is a civil tone. I'm not going to get angry. The judge already told me I can't do that.
Okay, counsels. Everyone will maintain a civil tone. Both.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
And
Your
objection.
Your Honor, I'll rephrase.
Overruled.
Mr. Beach, can you tell me why your face was placed in the middle of the newspaper?
In recognition of my work and what I did on a specific scene.
Why would you believe that reporters put pictures in their newspapers, Mr. Beach?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Why would you believe reporters put pictures in their newspapers?
To spotlight, certain incidents or persons.
Oh, okay. Why wouldn't they just write the description of yourself in the paper, Mr. Beach? Why would they put your picture there?
Objection, Your Honor. This is speculation.
No, it's not speculation. It's actual legitimate. Like, why would they put a picture and not describe all his facial features as beautiful as they are, and his beard is certain length?
So, counsel, I'm going to step in now and say the relevancy of this is lost on me a little bit.
Well, sir, if you just bear with me, it'll be very relevant in about 10 seconds.
Okay, you can have the 10 seconds, but it's a very, very narrow 10 seconds.
Affirmative, sir. I completely understand. All right, Mr. Beach. So would it be fair to say that the reporters place pictures in newspaper articles to save the multiple words that would be typed in a newspaper article describing the events? Some would say pictures would be worth 1,000 words. Would you agree with that statement?
I can, yeah. It would make their life easier.
Exactly. All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. I have no more questions for the. Actually, oh, sorry, that's right. My 10 seconds are up. Lucky Beach, if you don't mind me calling you that, would you please have a look? And I'm going to hold up Defense Exhibit excuse me, prosecution exhibit. That would be exhibit F. I'm holding up prosecution exhibit F for the witness. Would you say that's a clear picture?
I do.
Would you be
Objection,
able
Your
to
Honor.
tell me-
Relevance.
Would you be able to tell me if that individual is standing in the courtroom right now,
I would
or
be.
in the courtroom right now?
Based on facial features alone, I would be.
All right. Would you point at that person in prosecution exhibit F for me?
It looks to be like the gentleman sitting over there in the suit.
Just
Black
let
suit.
the record show he's pointing to the defendant. No more questions, Your Honor, for this witness.
That was your relevance, Mr. Goodman. Okay, Mr. Goodman, any cross?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Beach,
Yes, sir.
we're just going to go off here now what prosecution has asked you. Can you tell me what happened on the day of the three suspects going into the courthouse?
If you're referring to the day we had those suspects that were into the courthouse, I responded out here. I was the only LSPD unit that was on duty at the time. I came to secure and make sure the judge was safe. And when those three men re-entered the building, we wound up in a shootout. I was hit, as well as all the suspects were shot as well.
Okay, and can you answer me this, Mr. Beach? Who was it that shot the suspects and incapacitated them?
Objection, Your Honor. The defense didn't let the witness finish his statement.
So your objection is he doesn't have to. He's classed as a hostile witness because it's a cross-examination.
Okay.
So it would stand to reason that he's a hostile witness, so therefore he is allowed to intercept if he feels that the question has been answered and asked.
Thank you, sir.
Answered. Not trouble.
Like I said, Mr. Beach, can you tell me who was it that in the moment incapacitated the suspects that had entered the courthouse?
So I was able to get one of them, and there was the judge was the other gentleman who opened fire, as well as there was a civilian that was there that asked if he could aid us, and for his sanctity, I'm not going to name him.
Okay, so you're telling me there was two individuals. You just stated two individuals that were incapacitated. How many individuals were there in total?
There was a total of three.
Three. That was it.
I was able to nab one, and the judge, I believe, got the other two.
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance.
To be honest, you open this line of questioning. I have to allow defense to also explore this line of questioning.
No problem, sir. I have to object
No,
as well.
completely understand. As I say, I just want to be clear why I'm overruling it.
I can talk.
Why
I just didn't want to talk
Completely
over
understand,
the
sir.
very quiet
Okay, so
proceedings that are going on.
Can you explain to me why a moment ago you stated that the judge only managed to incapacitate one, and now you just stated the judge incapacitated two?
That's not what I said.
You stated that the judge incapacitated one and you got one more. And then there was a civilian. Now you said you incapacitated one, the judge incapacitated two, and a civilian.
Mr. Goodman, I incapacitated one. The judge got two. There was an additional civilian that was trying to help us out at the time as well. I gave you all the facts that were there.
Okay. Give me a moment here. Sorry, I'm just processing my thoughts. And did you get an ID on the suspects that entered the building? Did you apprehend them?
Objection, Your Honor. What is this relevant to the case?
As I say, I've got to give him the same latitude that I gave you.
I'm sorry, prosecution, but you opened this line of questioning up.
You know what it is the identification of the defendants is another case, and I believe that is still protected because it could be under an open investigation.
Okay. The witness is instructed not to give any identifiable information around the suspects that were involved in the courthouse shooting.
Okay, so Your Honor, can we please acknowledge that Mr. Beach here did make the error when he said you only incapacitated one, and then stated moments later saying you incapacitated two. So, Mr. Beach, you made an error here on the stand. Is there anywhere else you could make an error, for instance, in your report writing?
Objection, Your Honor. Move to strike. That's not acceptable. That's judging the integrity of this officer, and I will not allow it.
Not valid grounds for an objection. You could rephrase it. He's the defense counsel. He is allowed to treat him as a hostile, and he's not impugning the lieutenant's honor. He's in fact just asking a question around if there was an error made with the lieutenant's statement in the court. Could the lieutenant have made a mistake elsewhere in his police work or in his duties? He's opened the door to that, so he can ask it. Objection on the grounds of impugning someone's honor is unfortunately not a valid objection reason. So, overruled.
Thank you, Your Honor. So you made an error here, like I just stated. Isn't it possible that you have made errors in your reports before?
Well, unfortunately, I don't believe I made the error here. Your Honor, did you hear me say something out of pocket? Maybe that was a slip up or something? Because I don't remember saying that.
So I believe, Lieutenant, the council is looking onto the numerical counting of the suspects and who was kind of incapacitated by whom. So there was a slight error in your counting where you stated 1 and then changed it to 2. It might have just been a slip of the mind. It's human nature. But yes.
If I may, I very blatantly said that I was able to incapacitate 1 and that the rest were handled by you, and that there was another civilian around that was assisting at the time.
That would be actually incorrect. You first stated that the judge only incapacitated 1. They were your exact words.
However, I will be bringing an end to that line of questioning because I'm not too sure on the relevance to Mr. Vlad Slavinsky, because obviously this, unfortunately for Lieutenant Beach, and I feel that his time might have been wasted a bit in this court today, I'm a little unsure about the relevance to this gentleman that's looking in the defense seat at the present moment in time.
No more questions, Your Honor. My point has been proven.
Okay.
I missed it.
Is there any follow-on that you'd like to raise, Commander Booth?
Negative, sir. The witness is excused as far as I'm concerned.
Cool. Lieutenant, you are excused for the court's thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Could you call for recess? I need to take a piss.
Prosecution, may I call the next witness?
Yeah, Mr. Beach, you can stay in here now. I call on public defender, public attorney Ingraham Everstar.
Okay, we're going to have to... Bailiff, could you please request Mr.
Yep.
Everstar?
Objection. What's the relevance to this individual being in this case, Your Honor?
You've already objected in pre-trial motions. I've already allowed it. I am giving the prosecution a somewhat reduced latitude now, but however, I did still grant the latitude in pre-trial motions, so he will be allowed to call Mr. Everstar.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm hoping they're just out there. Oh, yeah, they are.
Your Honor, Mr. Everstar for you.
Perfect. If you can just swear him in, Mr. Everstar, if you'd like to take the witness seat. Or stand, probably be better.
Which left?
Oh, the right,
on the
sir.
left. On that side, please. Sir.
The right of the judge. Yeah, there you go.
And please make sure you're shouting, Mr. Everstar.
Do you, Mr. Everstar, say the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
He is done with swearing. Very
Brilliant
nice.
stuff. Thank you very much.
Mr. Zancy, please remain quiet.
Good afternoon, Mr. Everstar. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Very good. Thank you, sir. For the record, would you please state your name and your profession?
Ingraham Everstar. As of right now, public attorney. There are some things in the work which that will essentially change soon.
Understood, sir. Thank you very much for being here today. I'm going to try and make this as quick as I can. Sir, can you tell me, when you wrote the bar exam, was there an ethics portion to that?
I don't believe it was me that wrote the current bar exam.
Okay.
I believe there was an ethics part to that exam.
And you believe yourself to be an ethical person, correct, sir?
Correct.
Sir, would it be fair to say, in your personal professional opinion, that a picture is worth 1,000 words?
Objection, Your Honor. This is speculation.
That is speculation. Okay, let me rephrase. Mr. Everstar, how many words do you believe a picture is worth?
Objection, Your Honor. He's leading now.
That is not leading the witness.
It was
sir.
1,000 words.
It's a fair question. If I can't say
He
that
stated
it's
it
worth
was 1,000 words,
then
and
I'm
he's now
asking him how
rephrased
many
it to
words
ask
it's
him how
worth.
many. He is now leading the witness.
Counsel, I will say, despite my loving to see a witness try and calculate how many words a picture is worth, I believe we're taking the standard euphemism utilized in the standard language of the English-speaking peoples in a very literal manner. I would probably agree that is a slightly unfair question, and also I would challenge the validity of asking a legal professional about the value of a picture. So I am going to sustain the objection from defense counsel.
Wow, you guys are tough. All right, Mr. Everstar, why do you believe that individuals take pictures of things instead of writing out individual descriptions of people's appearance?
Well, that's very easy to answer, because instead of taking the time to describe something, say 10 minutes, it depends on how much detail you want to get into, you can simply show them a picture and say, is this what you're talking about?
Thank you, sir. So would it be fair to say that if I show, excuse me, let me rephrase. Have you ever met the judge before, Mr. Everstar?
This judge?
Yeah.
Objection. Relevance.
Oh, this is actually very relevant. Okay, hold on. Let me rephrase. Have you ever met myself before?
I believe so.
Yes. So how did you know when I walked into the courtroom and you turned and said to me, "Oh, Deputy Commander Ruth, how are you tonight? I'm here." How did you know it was me?
Well, I mean, everybody has distinguishing features, including face, hair, and voice.
But you had only met me once before, sir.
Correct.
This is going nowhere. I love it.
Correct?
Right.
Excellent. All right, Your Honor, I'm going to show the witness prosecution exhibit. Let's go with exhibit D for dog at this point. I'm going to show that to the witness and ask him if he can identify anybody from that image within this courtroom. Mr. Everstar, would you please look at the image that I've placed in front of you and tell me if you identify that individual. If you can tell if he's in this courtroom, would you please identify him and point at him?
Excuse me, prosecution, it's exhibit D you're showing, correct?
That is correct, sir.
From exhibit D alone, it's...
He might as well.
I mean, there's a person that looks, without having a better.
A lot of words are going to come out.
Objection, Your Honor, speculative.
Speculation. That's fine. I'll redirect.
I'm going to step in and I'm going to prevent the witness from being able to identify that man based on.
Why is that, Judge? Objection. I'm objecting against you, sir, because it's a fair question. He's
great.
a professional in the industry,
objected
and
against the
he
judge.
can identify somebody just as well as the bailiff could, or this individual in the seat, or that man in the seat.
Objection. He's leading the witness, Your Honor.
Okay. Take a breath for a second. Let me explain. Let me explain about this simple logic, which is he's a lawyer. He is not a facial recognition expert. He is not a trained in any form, as far as I'm aware, Mr. Evstar, unless you would care to correct me.
I'm not looking for training, Your Honor. I'm just looking at him as a regular citizen that has a degree with an ethical background, and he's currently not employed by the state, nor is he employed by anybody else at this point in time. So therefore, he's just a citizen who also happens to hold an ethical degree and is a professional.
Okay. So I see your logic. I see your approach. I see what you're trying to, the angle you're trying to go down. However, obviously, Mr. Everstar, no deposition or testimony of Mr. Everstar was provided to the court ahead of time. Mr. Everstar cannot acknowledge any facts of the case, and Mr. Everstar.
That wasn't my fault that he was brought into the case, Your Honor.
If I may just finish, Mr. Everstar's statement for or against the identification of Mr. Selensky, based on the exhibit you have provided him, would only go to the fact of that looks like the same person, which I'm pretty sure, anyone that we show that image to would also say that looks very similar, but is not kind of beyond a reasonable doubt from that.
Affirmative, sir. But from my perspective, he had only met me once before, just like I had only met Mr. Slovsky. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce his name once before, and yet I was able to identify him within 2 seconds.
Hey, Reg, what's going
I
on?
had met him the day before. So part of my opinion, sir, was that he had only met me once before, yet he was able to identify me. He has never met this individual, and I just wanted to know if from a picture he would say that this individual looked familiar to the picture. That's all I was looking for.
Is Booth wearing sunglasses in court?
As I say, I applaud your out-of-the-box thinking, Deputy Commander Booth. However, I am going to prevent the witness responding to that question because I fear that we could pull up half of San Andreas onto that stand and have a 50-50 bet over which way people would bet.
I think it would be more like 90-30, Your Honor.
Well, that's the opinion.
Or 90-10.
120%. So let's, Mr. Everstar, I'm going to exclude you from being answering that
Must
question.
be a repet.
Do you have any other questions, counsel?
Mr. Everstar, if I gave you a description of a man wearing a gray, a black
That is
jacket,
Chester's cop.
gray hair, and
he's
tie
representing
and
the
black
department
pants,
against
would you
an
say
actual
yes or
lawyer.
no that there is somebody in this courtroom that looks like it is wearing that information, or that description?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you. No further questions.
Very good. Defense.
We have no questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. The witness is excused.
The prosecution will now call Officer Ashford to the stand, Your Honor.
Confirm. Bailiff.
Yep. Officer Ashton. Your Honor, Mr. Ashford.
If you could take the witness seat, please.
Mr. Ashford, do you wish to say the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you.
Make sure you're shouting, please, Officer Ashford.
Good afternoon, Officer Ashford. How are you, sir?
I'm all right, Major.
Very good. Officer Ashford, I won't take too much of your time. I do have a couple of questions for you, and I would just hope and encourage you to answer them as best as you can, sir. Question number one, if a felon was to rob a car or steal a car within the city, he would it be true that he would need to point his weapon at the driver? Would that be a good way of stealing a vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
That's not leading, sir. I'm just asking a simple question. Would that be a correct way of stealing a vehicle in the city of San Andreas or Los Santos?
Yes, sir.
If you had objected on a different grounds to that line of question, it would have been sustained. But your objection that you raised is overruled.
Officer Ashford, how would you prevent let me rephrase. That would be speculation. All right. Officer Ashford, would it be fair to say that if you robbed a vehicle and you shot the person of the vehicle that you robbed, they would not be able to call the police? Would that be correct?
That is correct.
Excellent, sir. Would you please describe for the court the events from the evening in question for the case at front? Would you please describe what you witnessed with regard to the shell casings at the scene of the vehicle robbery, Grand Theft Auto?
All right, so we get a call, not necessarily from the man who was inside the car, but from locals around the scene, mostly because there are CCTV cameras from the stores and concerned citizens that there was a car that being hijacked. So we respond to the scene, and there was me and other officers. When we get to the scene, we find no car, but there was a sign of shock on the locals in that scene. So we enclosed our
Which just for the record, sir, means they were running away, correct?
That's right, yes.
Thank you. Okay, carry on.
We started working on our scene. We used the knowledge and experience we gained from the police academy, as well as the ride-along program that the PD provides to sweep for evidence. As I was working on the evidence, I did find indeed a bullet casing with a certain serial number, as well as parts of broken glass from a windshield.
Your Honor, let the record show and the defense that the serial casing he is in reference to is shown in both casings are shown in Exhibit J. And please note the serial numbers match the weapon that was taken off of Mr. Slavinsky. Carry on, Mr. Ashford. What did you do next?
I did collect the evidence, which was the and parts of the broken front windshield of a car. I also have to inform the court that when we received a call of a vehicle theft, we also get the plate. That should be mentioned as well, and that's about it, really.
You would refer to that where you come from as the number plate, correct? Let the record show
Definitely.
we're talking about the San Andreas license plate of the vehicle that was found in the possession of Mr. Slavinsky when I apprehended him.
Okay.
Mr. Ashford, when you witnessed yourself you actually visited a scene of a store robbery also that evening, not, sir?
That's true.
And that was a store robbery that you attended that was different than the store robbery that I had attended. Is that correct?
That's true.
And when you reviewed the security footage, would you please tell the court what it is that you saw on the security footage, sir?
Okay, so as well, while I was on duty that day, we also received a call of a liquor store that was getting robbed. It was the silent alarm. So I rushed to that particular store, and from the outside, I didn't notice anyone. So I used the knowledge and experience
I don't know who's behind me.
clear the building, and it turned out that the building was empty. Then I went instantly to view the CCTV footage, which revealed a person with a grey hair, black jacket, white shirt, about 6 feet tall, standing behind the register in a one clip, and the other he was actually aiming a gun towards the register and the man behind the cashier.
I see. Okay. Now, as Officer Ashford, I happened to notice something. You mentioned that the gentleman was 6 feet tall, approximately, based on, I'm guessing for some reason. But I did notice that that was left out of your report, that he was 6 feet tall. Can you explain why reports have different descriptions than sometimes are given over the radio or given in a statement? Why would there be certain
Objection, speculation.
differences? No, it's not speculation. Okay, in your opinion, why would you specifically give a different description and add that he was 6 feet tall when it wasn't written in your report, Mr. Ashford?
All right. So over the radio, we try to call the calls really quick, and we point, like for an example, in this case, what I noticed through the footage, and I believe that it would make the person behind the cashier stand out from others, was the grey hair, him being 6 feet tall, the white shirt. So on the radio, we call things that we believe makes the suspect stand out, not necessarily heavily detailed.
Wonderful, sir. And when you arrived to my location, you arrived as backup to my request, did you not, sir?
Yes, sir.
When you arrived on the scene and saw that I had the defendant in handcuffs, did you immediately put together that that was the same person that you saw on the video footage of the store
Objection,
that you
leading.
reviewed? No, sir. This is asking his professional opinion.
You need to rephrase it.
All right, I'll rephrase it. Officer Ashford, when you arrived on the scene, is this gentleman the gentleman you saw on the footage of the store?
Yes, sir.
And how do you know that, Officer
Grey-
Ashford?
Yeah, when I arrived on that scene, he had the same grey hair, same same jacket, same black jacket he had on the CCTV, the same white shirt.
So, in your professional opinion, this was the individual that was at the store.
Yes, sir.
And that was also the armed robbery, sir, that we did not charge the defendant with, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, in fact, the individual could have been charged with 2 counts of armed robbery of a store. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Relevance.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Ashford,
Yes, sir.
you stated when you get a call for Grand Theft Auto, you get the number of the plate of the vehicle, correct?
Yes, sir. And also, I may add, we also get the brand and the color.
Uh-huh. And can you tell me and the court, please, what was the brand and plate number of that car?
I will not remember that as it was 3 days ago, but the car was, I believe so, to my humble memory, it was Oracle and it was black, if I'm not mistaken.
Counsel?
Counsel?
Sorry, my vocal box was not working. Miss Rashford, can you please tell me how many people in the state of San Andreas have gray hair with a ponytail?
I don't know.
There it is.
So you would say, is it a low amount or a high amount?
Also, I don't
In
know.
your professional opinion.
From behind, you probably
How
couldn't
am I
tell the
supposed-
difference
I
between
don't know
Charlie and that guy.
statistics.
Objection,
I'm
Your
sorry.
Honor. He has no way of knowing how many people are in the state that have a ponytail. Like, come on.
Absolutely. So I will ask the witness then this way, to ask it in this way. Miss Rashford, is it in your professional
Objection,
opinion,
Your Honor. Should the defense not be asking the question?
a judge is allowed to ask it a question to
Ah.
clarify a point? The judicial bar does allow for a judge to ask a question to clarify a point.
I had to redirect my own questions.
You did
so,
not allow the judge to speak.
Officer Ashford,
Yes, Your Honor.
if you could answer me this question, do you believe, in your professional opinion, that only one person could exist inside the state of San Andreas at one time with grey hair and a ponytail?
Yes, sir.
So you believe only one person could exist that looked like that?
Oh, no. A lot of people. I mean, haircuts are easily can be get rid of and changed.
Okay.
So yeah.
Thank you. You've clarified that for me. Thank you. Sorry,
Thank you, Your Honor.
defense.
So, with that statement that you have said, it is possible for you to have misidentified my client, correct?
I went to the CCTV camera footage. I described what I see, and I don't believe that I misdescribed what I saw on the CCTV camera.
I'm not asking if you misdescribed. I'm asking, is it possible that you misidentified my client?
I can't answer for that one. I just have an answer for this one.
Okay. And can you, going back to the call you responded to with the vehicle theft, can you tell me who was the driver of the vehicle?
The vehicle theft. Okay, I stated that when we arrived to the scene, there was no vehicle at that scene.
Mm-hmm. So you had no description of who stole a vehicle, how many individuals were in a vehicle, correct?
No, sir.
Okay, that's all my questions for now, Your Honor. Thank you.
Cross-examine, Your Honor.
Yes, by all means.
If the defense or the prosecution is holding up Exhibit B to the officer, Officer Ashford, can you confirm that this is the vehicle that was at the scene of the crime, at the scene where we apprehended the subject?
Yes, sir.
All right, and we can show clearly that the number plate that is related on the back car that matches the dispatch call that we got for the stolen car matches the number plate that is shown on the Exhibit B.
Yes, sir.
Can you also tell me, sir, if you were a female? No, let me redirect. If you had long hair and you wanted to remove a ponytail, how long would
Objection,
it take you to pull the
leading, Your
elastic
Honor.
out? Let me rephrase, Your Honor.
Very good.
Would you agree, sir, that it would take you less than a second to pull an elastic out of your hair to remove a ponytail?
Objection, speculation.
That's not speculation. All right, officer,
He's not female.
how long?
He can't answer the question the way you asked it.
Okay, so I say man bun then, sir? Is that what you'd like? Excuse me,
Miss-
officer.
Ashford, have you ever had a man bun?
At some point, yes.
Oh, excellent. You can answer the question then.
Officer Ashford, when you had a man bun, how long did it take you to remove the man bun?
Objection. He will have to speculate that.
No,
It's
he
speculation, Your
won't,
Honor.
because he has life experience of having a man bun, despite the ludicrous concept of a man bun. I used to rock a
Sir,
man
do you
bun.
not have one?
No, I shaved it off.
Oh, congratulations, sir.
Thank you. I've lost the man bun. But yes, as a man bun user, I can say it can be taken off very rapidly. Okay,
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Ashford, before you leave the stand, a judicial clarification point I would like to ask you. When you arrived on the scene, who was the driver of the vehicle?
I can't remember, Your Honor.
My scene, Your Honor. Just
Your
if you
scene.
specify
You
when he
were
came for the
primary.
backup.
Excellent. Okay, Mr. Ashford, you are excused. Thank you very much for your
He
time.
would not be able to answer that because the suspects were out of the vehicle at the time.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Booth. Mr. Ashford, Officer Ashford, you are excused. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the prosecution calls his last witness, Commander Michael Luciano.
Very good.
Mr. Lawyer, I have a question. Not lawyer, sorry. Judge, Honor.
It's quite unusual for you to ask me a direct question, but please go on.
Can I go to the bathroom? I really have to.
Your Honor, defense would like to call for recess.
We'll have a 5-minute recess, and I'm guessing the commander is delayed, bailiff?
He's requesting a 5-minute recess.
Perfect.
One more thing.
Timing.
One more thing. Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom.
Thank you. I have to pee too.
I'll escort.
Okay. Thank you very much,
I
Mr.
apologize for my client's abruption to court, Your Honor.
Talk to me. We're in a courtroom.
Very comfort. Very comfort. Yes. Oh my God, look at this. I may have to change the toilet.
Booth is totally losing this one for sure. 100% losing this. How can we? I thought for sure we could tweet a picture. Do we have to image URL this thing? How do we do it? Oh yeah, there it is. There, we'll do that.
Commander, so feel free. Go pee in your head.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bailiff.
Is the press really reporting
Boom.
that people needing to go to the bathroom?
Let's see if we got it in there. Twitter.
I
Yeah, it
believe
is.
the press is on a pee break too, Your Honor.
Nice.
Mr. Judge, can we have better chairs? Can you give more funding for better chairs? I am having a rough time sitting.
Well, the state's budget is well allocated so that we can provide for the citizens of this fine state, not necessarily to give everyone comfort. Sorry.
Ready?
Sorry, Mr. Commander Luciano.
We'll have to hold.
Let's start the drama.
The commander was just taking a few moments. Oh no, the
Commander.
deputy commander. The deputy commander.
You have to say,
Mr. Zelensky, can you please sit down for the love of God?
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to say, the pee was very comforting. Oh shit! What did you hear exactly? Oh no! Did you hear anything, media man?
I heard some things.
Oh, no.
Hi, Boozy.
Hello, Mr. Peaks.
I haven't.
Great
Everyone
job.
back to
Blood
the
and
meeting.
tea.
We're going to resume, so I must insist on quiet inside the court. Right. Commander Luciano, counsel, your witness.
Thank you very much, sir. Commander, thank you for being here. I know you're a busy man. I would just like to ask you a couple of questions. First off, sir, would you state your name, rank, and position with the LSPD for the record?
My name is Commander Michael Luciano. I am the commander, the head of the LSPD.
Thank you, sir. Would it be fair to say that you have served in many capacities while being a member of any police department in the past?
Yes, sir.
Would it also be fair to say that you have attended the scene of a vehicle robbery in progress?
In my many years of service, I've attended a few of those, yes.
Affirmative, sir. And with that information, when you were directly involved, where you witnessed the theft of a vehicle, how many times would you say, sir, from your
Objection,
professional
speculation.
experience, did you hear it?
That's going to be.
Please keep a civil
No.
tone.
No, it's overruled because he does have the experience. The commander does have the experience to answer the question. So I'm happy for the commander to answer the question.
Commander, look, from your experience, how many times have you witnessed the person who actually points the gun at the car is the one who robs the car?
I mean, in my experience, that's a pretty open and shut deal right there.
So, for the record, sir, you are agreeing that the person that points the weapon at the driver is the one who robs the car, correct?
I would say that it is fair to say that the person who points the gun at the driver of the vehicle has initiated the act of armed robbery. Yes.
Thank you, sir. And would you also agree that the person with the gun in their hand or in their possession would also be the one that would silence the person? Have you ever witnessed somebody be silenced when they're robbing a vehicle? In other words, have you ever witnessed somebody shoot the person they robbed the car from?
I've been on many of scenes that ended in that manner. Most criminals are a little smarter than to do it in front of us, but it has happened, yes.
How many times would you say, in your professional opinion, that you have witnessed specifically? Was it somebody just randomly shot at a car as it drove by for absolutely no reason?
Never.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have one more question. Commander, did you review the court reports that I submitted for this case?
I did.
Would you please look at Prosecution Exhibit A and Prosecution Exhibit F and tell me, in your professional opinion as a police officer with as many years of service as you have, would that be fair to say that that individual is located in this courtroom?
Hold on.
Objection leading.
Is the person in the photos for defense or prosecution evidence Exhibit A and Exhibit F the same person as the defendant, in your professional opinion?
Objection, that's still leading, Your Honor.
Commander, is the person in Exhibit A or Exhibit F in this courtroom? Yes or no?
Objection, that's still leading, Your Honor.
That stuff go.
Okay. Commander Luciano, based on the image which you see in your evidence pack, can you identify the person in the room?
Hold on 1 second, I'm trying to find it.
If you scroll up to the very top, sir, of your computer there, it's the very first document that was posted.
So, by what exhibits was it again?
A and F, sir. Let the record show I'm showing a mug shot of the defendant. And let the record show that I'm comparing it with the armed robbery of the safe.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Repeat that.
I said, let the record show that I'm showing the mugshot of the subject as Exhibit A, and the possession of the firearm in the store as the subject was running to rob the safe.
Okay, let me take a look. Hold on.
My apologies. I should have had the document to hand to him, Your Honor.
That's all right. I've got it. And yeah, I would say that they're definitely.
You would
the same
say, sir?
individual,
You
and
would say, or it is?
It definitely is the gentleman sitting right over there in the black coat. With the
Thank
gray
you.
hair.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay, so a couple of points of clarification for the court, if I may, Commander. If a person passes a weapon to another person, so say I have a gun, I pass it to you, you shoot the gun, would the ballistics trace back to the gun, or would it trace back to me?
The ballistics would be traced back to the gun.
To the gun. So it would be traced back to you because you fired the gun, or would it be traced back to me because I own the gun?
If I was the one that fired the gun, then it would be traced. Well, it would be traced back to the gun.
Okay, so
for forensic purposes, both of our fingerprints would be on the firearm.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. And another point of clarification.
I mean, clarification-wise, I mean, if you really want to get into it, Your Honor, both of our fingerprints would be on the gun, and it would be up to the police department to figure out which one of us fired it.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry, it's just, as I say, I don't attest to being a ballistics expert, so I just wanted to use your expert opinion. Thank you very much. Prosecution. Sorry, defense.
I have no questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Does the prosecution have any further witnesses?
No, negative. It does not. At this time, ready for closing arguments when you're ready, sir.
Okay. Defense, do you have any witnesses you wish to call to the stand?
Yes, Your Honor. Defense wishes to call Commander Booth to the stand.
Your Honor, Commander Luciano will act as legal in this particular case if he disagrees, if that's acceptable to the defense and to the court.
Yes, it is acceptable. Due to you being the arresting officer as well as the prosecuting officer in this circumstance, I am going to allow Commander Luciano, due to his rank and position, to stand in as second chair for the purpose of this question.
Thank you, sir.
Go get them, lawyer. I believe in you.
Mr. Booth, do you solemnly swear to say the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I certainly do.
You do it with such passion, baby.
Thank you.
Except everybody else didn't have to swear, sir. I had to swear.
Yeah, he alters it a little bit every time just to keep you on your toes.
Commander Booth, when you apprehended Mr. Solansky, he was in a vehicle, correct?
Affirmative, that is correct.
Okay. And could you just confirm for me, who was the driver of the vehicle?
I actually don't have the report in front of me right now to have the gentleman's name, and as I said before, I can't mention his name because it could be part of an ongoing investigation.
Okay, so the driver of the vehicle that was reported stolen was not my client.
At the time that I apprehended your client, he was in the passenger seat, as stated in my report that you read.
Okay, thank you. And just going to back to the initial 911 call of the Grand Theft Auto, can you prove that it was my client who pointed the gun
Your Honor.
at
He
the
can't
individual in the
ask
car?
me to prove something I've already proved.
Sorry, Deputy Commander, you appointed the commander as the second chair for the purpose.
So
of
I
this.
can't even object as well? Okay.
Well, not if you're the witness. If you're the witness and you've just declared a second
Commander,
chair,
object.
you have to let the commander. You can't tell. The
Objection, Your Honor. Objection.
Right. So let's just take a couple of steps backwards and say, Deputy Commander Booth, you will have to let the commander object because you have declared him to be your legal representation for the purpose of this questioning. Therefore, you will have to let the commander object of his own volition.
Affirmative, sir. Sorry. My apologies to the court.
No trouble. Right, Mr. Goodman, please state the question again for the court.
The exact same wording?
Exact same
Well,
wording.
because I'd like to hear it again. Yeah.
Okay. Can you prove that my client was the one who pointed the gun at the initial Grand Theft Auto car?
Objection, Your Honor. He's
grounds?
asking him to state that he's to prove something that he's already proved.
Well, so that's not a cause for objection, Commander.
What are the grounds?
So I'll answer the question then. I already proved that.
So your statement is you've already proved that it was Mr. Seletsky
The individual that fired the weapon based on the commander's testimony and testimony of another decorated officer that the person who shoots the gun is the person that robs the car.
Okay.
So you're telling me one of those officers that you have questioned witnessed my client pointing the gun at the individual in the car and stealing?
That's not what I said. Stop putting words in my mouth.
Witness will remain and answer only questions that are posed to him.
Can you ask a question, please, defense?
I did ask a question.
No. That's my answer. No.
So you can prove. Okay, thank you.
No, I can prove. Yes.
Okay, moving on to the armed robbery charge. Did my client, when you apprehended him, have any stolen items on his possession?
Yes.
Could you please identify to the court in the evidence you submitted where those items are listed?
That's not the question that you asked, sir. I can't answer a question that's... I can say yes, he had stolen items on him. That is my answer.
Okay, did you submit these stolen items into evidence?
No, I did not. We elected to not charge him with that evidence specifically.
So you voluntarily hid the stolen items.
Well, I don't like his tone, Your Honor.
That would be considered tampering.
So you can object to his tone, however, you do have to answer his questions. I understand that you don't like his tone.
The tone. No evidence was hid. As officers, we try to make deals with criminals so that they learn a lesson rather than hitting them with all the charges. As stated earlier, we could have charged your client with 2 counts of armed robbery. We elected to only charge him with 1, and after knowing now what I knew then, I should have hit him with both.
Okay, so according to the Penal Code, a person who willfully and intentionally destroys or attempts to destroy, create or attempts to create false evidence, conceal, or alter any evidence.
Hey, you're standing a little close.
Sorry, Mr. Goodman, the court was...
Thank you.
Going down the line that you are going down is a bell that cannot be unrung, and also it is common police procedures to make deals with criminals and plea bargains with suspects in regards to things. So it's not so much that the evidence has been tampered or misused, it's just that they have elected not to press charges in connection with that piece of evidence. So,
but yet, Your Honor, we were never offered a deal when I was called upon to represent my client.
It is up to the police and also up to the district attorney what charges they choose to pursue. If they choose not to pursue a certain charge, that would mean that that evidence is not required for the case in question.
Your Honor, it's to my knowledge that we're here not. Deputy Commander Booth is not. He's not the defendant in this case. He's not on trial. I don't know why we're discussing. I don't know why we're discussing police procedure that has nothing to do with what's going on here.
Mr. Goodman's initial line of questioning was in regards to evidence of if there was any evidence in relation to the armed robbery.
But he was not charged with possession of any stolen property.
Absolutely, Commander Luciano. Hence why I have instructed Mr. Goodman not to pursue that line of questioning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so you are charging my client with armed robbery, correct?
I charged him with armed robbery.
And these are the charges you have brought to court, correct?
Correct. 1 count of armed robbery, as stated at the beginning of the case, and 1 count of grand theft auto.
For the court's clarification, the armed robbery that you're charging him with, is that in relation to the stores or is that in relation to the grand theft auto?
That is in relation to the store that is combined with evidence and photos of the video evidence in my report. The grand theft auto was with regards to Mr. Ashford's report, which is why both reports were submitted separately.
Okay, so Mr. Ashford's charge is the grand theft auto, which then comes to the ballistics, and the charge in regards to the store is the evidence that you've entered in regards to the store is the CCTV image of a person that looks like the defender.
That is correct,
in
sir.
your opinion of the witnesses. Okay, thank you.
My
for
opinion and everybody else that stood here, sir.
Absolutely, thank you for the clarification.
Okay, so Your Honor, may I state the armed robbery under the penal code?
You may state it, but as I say, you're running low on the court's time.
Okay, so according to the penal code, section 2-17, felony armed robbery, it is stated a person who takes property from the possession of another against their will by means of force facilitated with a gun or any bladed weapon is guilty under this code section. Yet, you never submitted any stolen items or proved that my client had the stolen items because you have not submitted it into evidence.
The reason why I did not is I was trying to spare your client spending extra time in jail, but I can tell you had $694 of money that was identified and stolen by the store owner.
The jury in normal circumstances would be ordered to discard that the value as it was not entered into evidence by the state. So unfortunately, that cannot now be brought into the court as it was not.
Motion to strike the charge, please.
To strike the charge? No way.
The amount, sorry, I missed
the amount.
Motion to strike the amount.
The amount is struck from the record as it was not entered into evidence. Do you have any further questions, Mr. Goodman?
Give me one moment, Your Honor. I'm just processing my thoughts. Mr. Booth, can you prove with unreasonable doubt that my client committed the armed robbery according to the definition stated in the Penal Code, Section 2-07?
I believe I already have.
With the evidence that has been submitted.
I believe I already have.
No further questions, Your
Honor. Your Honor, may I speak with the Commander for a 2-second sidebar?
Yes, you may.
Commander, would you come forth, please?
Do you need help with sitting down, Lawyer?
By all means, remember to shout again.
Yes,
Commander
sir.
Luciano, would you like any cross with Acting Commander Booth? Deputy Commander Booth.
Yes, yes, he would.
And please make sure you shout, sir.
you state for the court, please, your full name and rank within the LSPD?
Certainly. My full rank is Major Cameron Booth, currently acting Deputy Commander Cameron Booth for the LSPD.
And would you say that you've had a lot of experience both in this department and in other departments along the
Objection,
way?
speculation.
It's not speculation, it's in regards to the Deputy Commander's experience as a law enforcement officer.
Yes, my
Well, could prosecution please be more specific with their line of questioning then? And state that.
Valid.
Commander, yes. I have multiple years of experience underneath my belt and dealt with many different felonies throughout the cities that I've worked, and encompassing all aspects of our current and any former penal codes.
Okay, and have you ever attended a full law enforcement academy in your career?
Yes, sir, I have.
And have you ever had to take any kind of ethical exams that pertain to what is expected of you as a law enforcement officer?
Yes, sir, I have. And on top of an ethical exam, I've also had to make an oath.
An oath to be a police officer.
That is correct. To uphold the law and the citizens of the city in which you work.
Now, have you, in your tenure as a law enforcement officer, ever witnessed an armed robbery? And could you speak through your experience and your training as to, what would indicate an armed robbery in your presence?
Yes, sir, I have on multiple occasions. I've caught felons, suspects in the middle of the act of making an armed robbery. I
ain't got no beers on me.
Felons and suspects before an armed robbery, and I've also caught them after a robbery. And in my professional opinion, armed robbery is when you possess a firearm with intent to commit a theft from somebody else.
No, I know how to shit.
Damage property on site during that theft at the same time as taking
Yeah, I mean, it's all right.
that belong to you with force with a firearm.
Thank you.
So
who do you think's gonna win?
You would say in your professional capacity
I think the cops
and
are gonna
through
lose.
your training that if someone is in possession of a firearm
all I have is water.
that has essentially pulled it out
Here, you know
and brandished it inside a store and pointed it at a store
Hell
owner or the clerk that's behind the desk, that would constitute the initiation of an armed robbery,
I
correct?
got nothing on me.
100%, sir.
I have painkillers. Leave some of those.
I don't think there's any further questions, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Commander. Acting Deputy Commander Booth, you are excused, sir. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, that guy's terrible.
Does the defense wish to call any further witnesses or any final witnesses?
No, Your Honor. I just want to point out. I think my client's head may have had an issue, and he will be on his way back immediately.
Not to worry. I don't believe that the client needs to be present for closing statements, so we'll be fine to start with closing statements. Acting Deputy Commander, would you wish for a few moments to compose yourself before closing statements, or are you happy to go straight?
I'm happy to continue, sir.
Okay, please do so.
All right. I'd like to let the court record show that I have called multiple witnesses to confirm the defendant is, in their opinion, the individual that committed this crime. I call it a heinous crime because it was use in force with a weapon brandished. The evidence and shows that. Judge, I'm also assuming that I don't need to read my reports word for word, verbatim, because I believe you've already got copies of them, and I believe the content of that is assumed. Is that correct?
Well, be careful with that statement, but continue your opening statement.
Well, if you would like, sir, I will sit here and read word for word what the other officers' reports are, or did you review the reports?
I reviewed the reports in depth, infinitum.
Perfect.
So
Excellent. Okay.
worry.
All right. So what I would also like to state is we've had multiple people with lots of experience that have determined that the act of committing an armed robbery of a vehicle and an armed robbery of a store match everything that has occurred that is written in the reports and stated in this court. We have proven without a reasonable doubt that this individual is definitely the suspect in the armed robbery and in the suspect in the Grand Theft Auto. We have, without a doubt, proven with the experience of law enforcement over this great city that we have, that we will not allow criminals to get away with crimes of this magnitude.
Criminals with crimes.
And I believe personally that all criminals will be brought to justice. The other thing I would like to mention, sir, is that during the time that we implemented the bracelet on the defendant, he never once checked in with police. He never once checked in with the police department. So he was definitely in breach of that as well. But we're not looking to press charges on that because he showed up to court.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Commander. Sorry, Acting Deputy Commander. It's a real mouthful of a title. I'm just going to call you AD.
I am pretty sure I checked in multiple times.
Mr. Goodman.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry, muscle spasm.
I hope you don't feel anything's wrong with my desk.
No, muscle spasm, Your Honor.
It's quite alright. Continue.
Hit the guy to the left.
Your Honor.
Are you telling him to hit me?
Mr. Zelensky, please stay quiet. I apologize for my client's abruption, Your Honor.
Not to worry.
Your Honor, according to the Penal Code, Section 2-07, armed robbery, prosecution has failed to prove with unreasonable doubt that my client committed armed robbery. According to the Penal Code, it states the person who takes property from the possession of another against their will. Prosecution has failed to show any items that were taken from the scene and that were on my client's possession. Therefore, to the definition stated within the Penal Code, my client did not commit this offense and should be free of this charge.
Okay, is that your closing?
And according to Commander Luciano's testimony, they failed to prove that my client discharged a weapon which invalidates the armed robbery, and therefore I believe my client should be exonerated from all listed charges.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, can't say that. Shush.
Right.
Sir.
I will take a few moments. You can all just remain where you are. I'll just take a few moments to deliberate.
Can I talk now, lawyer?
Back with you to render my verdict.
Please wait.
We didn't show evidence.
Charlie, what are you doing?
I'm just coming over here to talk, man. These cops are definitely gonna lose, man.
Yeah, they totally fucked it up.
Yeah, they don't know what they're doing. They're worse lawyers than they are cops. I didn't think that was possible.
Right.
Oh shit, that was fast.
The defendant could please stand.
Oh, fuck.
So, I'm going to kind of come forward to explain this, and I'm going to make a very open statement. The law of the land and the law of the Constitution is to protect the individual from the potential tyranny of
Down in front
masses or a government. In that, the burden of proof in our Constitution and our legal system was established such that you have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a person is guilty. So when I judge cases, I look at the burden of proof being heavily weighted that the state needs to prove that. This case and the two charges associated to the case really rest on two things. The Grand Theft Auto was ballistics of a weapon that was found on the defendant. Outside of that, there was no witness to the actual event itself or CCTV images of the event itself of the Grand Theft Auto. And at the time of arrest, he was not the driver. And from the question that I asked for a clarification point of the commander, the weapon could have been passed to a second party, which, as Commander Booth said, we shall not be named due to potential ongoing investigations. So, yes, from the end, we then leave that charge. We then look at the armed robbery charge, which was the evidence entered into by the prosecution, very much focused on the image of Mr. Zelensky. And we had several people come up and say...
Your Honor.
They keep not pronounce it correctly. Was it so hard to say?
Okay, Mr. Slavinsky, please remain quiet.
Okay,
It's
sorry.
actually quite a difficult surname. I apologize, sir. May I call you Vlad?
Of course, Your Honor, Mr. Justice.
Okay, Vlad. The armed robbery came heavily down to the identification of CCTV. Now, the charge itself, as the defense went to great pains to push, was that no evidence from that shop robbery was entered into the prosecutorial case. So that makes my job very difficult, because the penal code and its writing clearly states that an item has to be taken, and that item has to be entered into the evidence of the case bringing towards the person. I am a bit worried on one aspect, which is the integrity of our LSPD, in my view, thus far, has no parallel. I am very proud to be a state agent of this state. I'm very proud of my LSPD. I'm very proud of my BCSO, because they are people prepared to do a job for the citizens of the state. So it is with that I do render my verdict that on the case of Grand Theft Auto, the state finds that insufficient evidence has been provided to convict, so you are cleared of that charge. In the case of armed robbery, despite the CCTV image, due to there being no evidence of an item taken and the image being open to interpretation of if that was definite you, without any fingerprint or corroborating forensics, I will also be dismissing that charge. So all charges are dismissed, Vlad. You are free to go with the court's thanks.
Hell
for your
yeah.
time today. I would also like to thank the prosecution for their time in court and the effort that they put into it. I appreciate it.
I have a question,
greatly.
Your Honor.
I'd probably leave it till we clear the court, and then
Okay.
you can ask away. Thank you all very much for your time. Everyone, please go in peace.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Commander, if you'd like.
Prosecution. Thank you.
Can I talk to me?
What
Good
I
day,
tell
sir.
you?
No, Officer Booth sucks.
Yeah, the worst fucking lawyer than he is a cop, I tell you what.
Yeah, he should watch more Wapner.
He should have watched more anything. He should have read a book.
Okay, Mr. Slavinsky.
Excuse me.
Are you paying me?
Hey, come on, there are people trying to go to work. Wow, what a jump.
Hell yeah. That's one for the good guys right there.
He could barely even get half his words out. Oh, son of a bitch, fucking newsman, fucking hit my car.
You can get out. I think you can fit.
This is fucking bullshit.
You can get out. This your car right here?
I fucking hate Weasel News.
Is this your car?
Yes, right here. You need a ride?
Hell yeah. unlock it.
Oh, you did?
The doctor. What is up, Doc? How are you?
Oh, no, you try.
Yeah, I'm in. Listen, if you just give it a little nudge, you get out no problem. Yeah, now a little nudge forward. Keep going.
Why? And this car behind me is in a fucking red zone.
Just keep going. Give her a little nudge. Hell yeah. Fuck the police. Hell yeah. That's my lawyer in there, man. I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah, I thought he did really well.
Man, I'm gonna win so much fucking money. Hey, I'm gonna text him right now.
Yeah, I was really impressed. I think you were gonna show up.
Hell yeah, man. I wanted to see if that lawyer was any good. I should probably put my belt on.
That booth guy really likes his pitches.
I told you, man. Hey, I put he didn't even take his sunglasses off in the court. So disrespectful.
He didn't seem too prepared either.
Hell no. Like I said, he's a worse lawyer than he is the police. He's pretty bad police.
Yeah, I make a quick stop.
All right. Boof 0-2. Can we not call him?
The phone ringing, Spencer's call.
What the hell?
Yeah, hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hey, yeah, I can. Who's this?
That's weird. My phone's acting all bizarro.
Oh, well,
hang
this
up.
is
Let me call you back.
Oh, dead.
Hey,
Okay.
did you shut it off and turn it back on?
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Nope, that's not good. Yeah, my phone's acting funny.
Okay, can you send a text?
Yeah, probably.
Booth already 0-2.
Hell yeah, he is.
Hey, he should quit while he's ahead.
I think it's because I had the airplane mode on.
Yeah, Luciano didn't really do much either.
No, none of them is any good. Hey, this Charlie.
Call. Spencer phoning.
Hey, my phone's working now. I think I had one of the settings wrong.
Yeah, you definitely did. Hey, what's going on?
Well, where are you at?
I'm at the city hall that I guess is also a courthouse.
Oh, goddamn, we just left. We're heading up to the county.
Well, why didn't you take me with you? I don't have a car here.
I didn't fucking see you there. T-Ray, turn around. We got to go get Spencer. He's at the courthouse.
Yeah. had a car here, but I
Yeah, I
backed
didn't see
it
him
really
there
hard
either.
to a cop car and they impounded it.
All right, wait out front. We're on our way.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Love
How do
you,
I
bye.
look?
All right, he's out front of the courthouse. We'll go get him.
Yeah, can you mark it?
Yeah, hang on.
Thanks, Charlie.
Hey, can you still hear me?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh, all right, I'm just checking.
Where would I be?
No, I mean, can you still hear me?
Yeah, I said I could hear you.
Oh, all right. So after we get Spencer, what are we doing?
Well, what do you want to do? I gotta go back to the apartments for anything good.
Hell yeah. We should probably make some shine and go sell that.
Well, we can do that.
I got some corn. I think we gotta cook it before it goes bad. Man, those police lost so bad.
Did you see the look on their face?
Yeah, I bet they wasn't too happy.
They know they were totally screwed when they didn't submit evidence. And why would you do that?
Sounds good, man. I said, sounds good, man. You know what I mean?
No, what do you mean?
I mean, sounds good.
Yeah, it was really good. Where's Spencer?
He said he'd be out front. Oh, I think that's him right there. He's talking to the news.
Yeah, well, fuck that.
I don't think he can hear you. What happened to Katie, Buster, and Chad? Buster and Chad are in the server. I don't think they're in right now. I don't know about Katie. Is it Katie?
Spencer,
Do you mean
let's
Katie or do you mean
go.
Kat?
Oh, hold
Katie's
on,
here as well.
I'll be right with you.
Hey, he's doing one of them news interviews.
We got things to do. Money doesn't make itself.
I know, man. I fucking need it too. I'll need some money.
Yeah, I'm so poor. I gotta think about rent.
You ain't as poor as me. How much money you got?
Like $300-400.
Wait, in your pocket or in the bank?
In the bank.
You're full of shit. No way.
I had to get some things.
Oh yeah, what you need to get?
For liquor ace.
No, is that what you need?
Yeah. Yeah.
You making money?
Liquor ace. Sometimes. I don't have $150 bandages. I'll tell you that.
When you said liquor ace, it sounded like ass.
Oh, I mean, I guess so.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah, liquor ace.
Yeah, but but the other word.
Liquor.
Yeah, but then what's the other one?
That's like two words right there, Charlie.
So yeah, I'm sorry. I meant the 3 words.
What is Spencer doing?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't.
Hey.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Cat is.
I'm telling the news people that the police robbed me at gunpoint.
Hell yeah! I got my lawyers working on a case against the cops too.
Yeah, good. Listen, I drove down here and I backed my car into a cop car really hard and then they impounded it.
You need to go to the impound?
No, I don't want to go to the impound.
All right.
Yeah, so, what are you guys doing?
We gotta make some shine to sell.
Yeah, it will go faster if you make some too.
Yeah, I think I have water and corn.
I got corn too. I think it's gonna go bad if we don't cook it.
Yeah, but what about yeast? Do we need yeast?
Yeah, we do. Do it. Should we go buy some?
I might have some yeast in my house.
Yeah, but you got enough?
Maybe.
I mean, we're in the city. We can stop and get some.
No, I think licorice has yeast also.
Yeah, hey, Charles.
Yeah, what's going on?
Hey, it's
Yeah.
Charlin. I learned that the other day.
No, I didn't say Charlin. I said Charlie.
Charlin Baker.
I didn't say fucking
Yeah,
Charlin.
no shit. Oh, well, I put a present in the glove box for you.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, hell yeah. It's like my fucking birthday.
Yeah, Charlin, happy birthday.
I think we should probably go get some yeast just in case.
Yeah, no, we are.
Yeah, at the store.
Yeah, we are.
Wait, you selling it at your store?
Yeah, yeah.
No way.
Well, it's a super way.
All right,
That's
we'll see.
really good news.
Yeah, basically, he's going to be making monies off us.
Yeah. He should give us a bottle of shine.
I think after the police lost in court so bad, they're probably all going to quit their jobs.
Did they lose?
Oh, hell yeah. They lost on all counts.
charges?
Yeah, every single one lost. Lose.
Goddamn, that's who's the lawyer?
Boof.
Yeah, he's as bad a cop as he is a lawyer.
Wait, no, Boo, no, not Boo.
Yeah, he was. He was the lawyer for the police.
Yeah,
No, not the
lawyer
police.
Boof.
The guy that won.
Oh, that's Shaw Goodman. That's my lawyer right there.
Mine too. I got him and the other guy.
Hell yeah. I don't remember the other guy's name, but yeah, I got them too.
Yeah, the other guy is Blue Lawyer.
Blue lawyer?
Yeah, he wears a blue suit.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I got them guys too. I'm thinking we're going to win so much fucking money, I'm going to be a millionaire. I'm thinking $5 million at the minimum.
Yo, shit. That'd be really good.
Yeah, then I'm pretty much going to buy the whole county.
Oh, can I get a trailer?
Yeah, hell yeah, and maybe even the police station.
Yo, I want to be a cop for, for this county.
Let's level it and make a hospital.
That actually sounds like a good idea. We need the hospital more.
I was thinking about like knocking it down and just making like a, like a theme park maybe with like a water slide and maybe like a regular slide. Maybe some bumper cars.
Yeah, Ferris wheel.
Yeah, hell yeah, Ferris wheel, like some mini golf.
Yo, hey, Charlie.
Yeah?
Yeah, when you get the mini golf course in a couple weeks, can you get that one hole that you put the balls in the rhino's mouth and he poops them out?
Hell yeah. Is that like Hungry Hippos?
Yeah, I have no idea. Wait, is the rhino the one with the horns or the hippos?
I don't know. Dance for me, monkey. Dance for me. Hey, it's Charlie.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man, you missed court. Police lost like a bunch of losers.
Yeah, well, give me go figure, right? Bunch of wet brains.
Yeah, bunch of worse fucking lawyers than they are cops, and that's saying something. Terrible.
Where you at?
We're at Liquor Ace up in Sandy.
Okay, I'm up in Grapeseed. You want to come pick me up?
Yeah, we'll come get you right after we buy some yeast. We're gonna make some shine before all our corn goes bad.
Okay, you got a still?
I think T-Ray and Spencer do. I don't think I do.
Okay. All right, I think I had one at White Widow. That's why I was asking.
Oh, all right. Yeah, we'll be in Grapeseed in a minute.
Love you, bye.
I love you, bye.
He's just a one store kind of guy.
He even has corn here.
Yeah, you gotta plant it.
No, that's seed corn.
Yeah, you can't sell crack corn.
I don't care.
Oh, you can.
All right, make sure you get enough yeast. Hey, when we leave here, we got to go pick up KD in the grapeseed before we start cooking.
Yeah, well, let's go up to Grapeseed and pick him up first, and then we can see if there's any con.
Well, did you get your yeast?
I got 15 of them.
Hell yeah, is that enough?
That's how much I got last time, I think, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Unlock it. Wait a second. Hey, man.
Is that Chad's dog? I fucking hate that thing.
He tried to buy Oxy for like $16. Fuck you.
Yeah,
That's what I think about that.
Yeah, how much is it supposed to be?
I don't know, but it shouldn't be that low.
10 times that.
Oh shit.
Maybe
Charlie.
like 200.
Yeah, I just thought of something.
Oh yeah, what?
Yeah, the police got a search warrant for my house, and I think they took my pots and pans.
Oh no, did they?
Oh, was
Yeah.
that your house?
Why'd they get a
I saw
fucking
that
search
last
warrant
night.
for your house?
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't give it to them.
What'd they take from you?
Yeah, my pots and pans to make moonshine and some speed and coke.
Oh my god. So you ain't got your still no more?
Still what?
You ain't got it no more?
Ain't got what?
They took it?
Shine maker.
Oh, no, I don't have that. No, they took that. yeah.
Shush maker.
Well, goddamn. I guess we gotta make another one.
Yeah, I guess so, because they took mine.
Where's Katie?
He said in grapeseed. You missed a turn.
I thought it was a different house.
Man, I got no idea what you mean a different house.
There's more than one house in Grapeseed.
Yeah, but you ain't even gone to grapeseed yet.
Yeah, we're driving around it.
Oh, alright.
That rumble strip feels weird on my button balls.
It feels pretty good.
You should try it on a motorcycle.
Has anybody got a lockpick?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, can I have one?
I'm gonna put it in the glove box.
Hell yeah.
I think it's in there. Wait, hold on.
Hey, is this it?
I don't think he lives here.
Yeah, there you go, Charlie.
I've never been to his house.
Well, he didn't say he was at his house. He said he was in grapeseed. So I figured
that's
just
kinda big.
drive down the main road.
Did you ask him if he was alone?
IRL, she may be back. Buster is kind of the same. He can only play later.
Charlie, he asked you a question.
What are you asking?
Did you ask Katie if he was alone?
No, I forgot.
What the hell? How do you forget?
I don't know. I fucking forgot.
Well, you got to remember.
I know, but I've been popping pills all day. I popped some right in the court.
Yeah, what kind of pills?
I think they were just painkillers, but I found them in the trash can.
No, hell yeah.
Still good, right?
Yeah, I don't think Katie's in grapeseed.
Well, I mean, that's what he said. Oh,
no,
hey,
wait,
there he is.
Yeah, hey, Katie.
No, you are not.
Ow! What the fuck?
No, you're not. You do not sell drugs out in front of my house.
I'm not selling drugs. I know this guy.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do know him.
Whip your ass.
I know that guy. You're a dick. I was just saying hello. Swear to God. You need a fucking snickle because you ain't yourself.
Maybe I am, but you ain't selling drugs out
I
in front of my
wasn't.
house. Yeah, right.
I know him. That's Juan. I was saying hello.
I didn't hear no talking.
You
That's why
fucking
a whole
hit me
lot of
before I could
fumbling.
even open my mouth.
Yeah, that's because you was fumbling in your pocket.
You owe me a fucking Band-Aid.
Yeah, I have a Band-Aid.
Well, I need it.
Yeah.
Get your hand out of the glove box. I'll put it in there.
I took it out.
No, you
Yeah,
did?
I already.
Car
I
snacks, what's
just
going
put one in
on?
there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, now, Katie, you owe me a Band-Aid.
Okay. Oh, now you owe
God
me a
damn it.
Band-Aid, so we're even Steven.
T-Ray, you owe all three of us a Band-Aid now.
No, it's not my fault. You guys arguing like little girls. I can't fucking hear myself think.
Yeah, well, you don't need to hear. You just need to fucking drive.
Yeah, use your eyes, not your ears.
I put 3 in the glove box.
God damn it, Charlie.
What?
You got that fucking song stuck in my head now.
No, dance for
Dance
me.
for me, dance for me, dance for me.
Hey.
Yeah.
I never seen those boobs on you, but that's okay. Hey. Hey, Spencer's place got raided. He don't got it still no more.
You don't have it still anymore?
They stole all his shit in his house.
Wow.
Yeah, they did.
Why? Why did they do that?
That's what I'm wondering.
Is there one of those pieces of paper saying they would like to speak with you?
Where are you going, T-Ray?
I told you I had to go back and liquor race.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, Dr. Red's at Burger Shot.
Hey, I know these guys.
Okay.
What's up, boys? There you go. T-Ray, if you don't need to be here, I mean, what are we doing it here?
I thought you guys had to stop.
No, we were just fucking here.
Oh, okay. Well, get in.
Oh my god.
Yeah, go to the other side.
What's going on?
What? How much drugs have you already done?
A
we
little
were
bit.
in the courthouse.
No, that's the problem. You haven't done any drugs yet.
Yeah, we're getting itchy.
Singing made-up lyrics to a song. They ain't made up. They're the real fucking words.
What are you talking about? Those are real words.
Didn't you just ask me if those were made-up words? They're fucking real.
The hell are you talking about?
I'm fucking talking to you.
Where are we going to shine?
We can go wherever. I don't care. Oh, actually, let me. I'm gonna get the corn.
Okay.
I love it when I do that. I'll just answer you all to them, and they have no idea what's going on. Not accessible. Why not? You have successfully unlocked it. Well, I mean, that's not good. How does it work on our door? We have successfully locked it. Stash is locked. That ain't good. Uh-oh. So the door is locked. Let's go check here. Stop selling? Is that what's going on? Oh. How am I still selling all the way over here? Good call. I think that was it. How was I still selling over at the liquor ace and now all the way over here? It glitches sometimes. Hell yeah, the maids be stealing. I don't trust a maid that doesn't steal just a little. Ah, look at the big brain on Fess. Good on you. Alright, corn. Oh yeah, we got lots of corn. We got water. That's all we should probably need, right? That's all we should probably need. Oh, we do have to get a metal detector, start doing some of those later. I think we're good. We got painkillers. You know what? We should see if we can sell these at all. So we weren't able to sell those before. Let's put... Are we out of painkillers? Yeah, you know what? Let's put these in here. I want to see if we can sell any of that. I didn't know Melvin figured that shit after Oh, alright. Alright, I got the corn.
There, you got the shiner.
The what?
Does it make the shine?
I don't have one. You do.
Oh, you had it.
No, I do not.
What did you do with yours?
You got... I never had one. You got one? I gave one to you. You and, was it Chad?
Let me go check.
Yeah, I don't have one.
Yeah, his store, he said, got raided too. He's not going to have one.
Who got raided?
T-Ray just told me his place got raided too.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, he just told me that.
How's all these people's houses getting fucking raided?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Yeah, I mean, that's really weird.
Hey, KD. Do you think Digital Den sells a camera?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I have a great idea.
And the verdict is?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, he's got one. He's got one.
All right, where you want to go cook? I got the corn on me, but that's it. I got 59 corn.
I mean, do you want to just cook on the roof again?
We could probably just go cook in like one of them empty trailers. No one will see us.
What's with this pavilion?
It wouldn't sell anymore. Where are we gonna do it?
I don't know. He's going over here.
I don't see any issues. I think I might be. Where'd T-Ray go?
He's still
standing out there.
over there by the stairs.
He didn't get the memo, but yeah, we could cook right here. Look at this place.
Oh, all right. Hey, what's going on?
I can't get my hands out of my pockets.
Maybe you gotta take a nap.
Oh, okay. Love you. Bye.
His hands are stuck in his pockets.
Yeah, did he probably spilt glue all inside of him?
Yeah, he probably did.
Or he got into your salad dressing paste.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I made sticky dressing for dinner last night, Charlie.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, I was gonna invite you over, but I forgot.
Gross.
What do you mean, gross?
Sticky dressing? I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, you take the white bottle of Elmer's Yummies and then you put it in salad dressing.
Yeah, definitely don't have any idea what that is. $6. Decline. No, thank you.
Dance, monkey dance, monkey dance. Monkey
Hey,
dance.
hey, hey.
Oh.
Let's try these guys again. Yeah, it worked. Has Cat made an appearance? Not in a long time.
What are you doing?
These guys don't want to buy nothing.
Buy what?
Weed.
What are you doing selling drugs? We're about to cook moonshine.
Not right now. Waiting on T-Ray. Trying to make some fucking money. You think she fucking fleeced me on that cleaning?
I fleeced you?
Yeah, fucking fleeced me.
Yeah, what does that even mean?
Means I didn't get
Gave
as
him
much
a really
money.
nice jacket.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, I did.
That's been in your head all week.
Did you give him one of your cool vests?
Mine too.
No. But I gave him a nice warm fleece jacket.
Yeah, maybe I will get a vest with all big old cool skeleton on it. You son of a bitch! Hit him! Hit him! I got him. All right, we ready to go sell? I mean, cook?
What'd you give that to me for?
He's coming over to see what you did to his nephew, Dad.
I ain't worried about him.
Yeah, he fell in the pool. Look, he fell
Why
in the
do I don't even remember how to use this.
Give it to Spencer.
Oh yeah, you're good at
He's
it.
the one that lost
Yeah,
it.
I made the last times.
There you go.
All right, are we going over to that building over there?
Yeah, I guess might as well. All right, I got the corn. Who else got? Ah, God damn it. Who else got the other shit?
I have everything.
You have corn too?
I have corn, yeast, distilled water. I'm ready to go at all times. Ask
All
me
right,
anything.
all right, get to it.
I got all excited.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Where we go?
There we go.
Uh-oh, what?
Do you remember this song?
What
Dance
song?
monkey, dance monkey, dance monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah.
No, that's a good one too. But do you remember the Happy Juice song that you had? That told you how to make it.
Oh, yeah. Let me remember. You. Hold on.
Come on, I know you want some. There you go.
Add some water.
Yeah. Well, you need to add the water.
And then the song goes, stir it up.
No, it does not.
Let it sit.
You know these Twinkies never go bad.
Quit fucking around, Spencer.
The yeast.
No.
Light the fire.
Yeah, there we go. You got fucking cooking. Jeez.
I can't hear you.
Spencer.
Sing louder.
I get the lyrics mixed up in my
There you
head.
go.
Yeah, look at that fire, huh? It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
I should have brought some hot dogs.
Okay, now the song goes, Dad, the yeast.
Yeah, you yeast it up.
Did you say Dad?
I think so.
Hey, he's not at the blow you up point. You guys come inside.
Man, I seen that thing explode.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, and then the next verse goes, is stir the stuff.
Yeah, stir it up. That's the best part.
Yeah, I love this song. Okay, and then we sit back.
Yeah, it's
No,
just sit
no.
down and just watch it.
Yeah, let the mixture sit. Yeah, you gotta let it sit and you just kind of like chill there for a minute. Watch the temperature though. 115.
Times 2. Why ain't he singing anymore?
I don't know. He's making me nervous.
Lower temp.
Yeah, you gotta keep it low. And not too low though.
Low and slow.
Now you got, yeah, low and slow.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
God damn! Holy shit!
Pick me up, Charlie.
Yeah, I'll get you. You were standing too close.
Get out of here, Charlie. Holy
God
shit.
damn!
Oh,
You owe me. Well, you owe me a still.
you owe me a still, you said.
You done fucking blew that shit up.
Fucking dummies.
Yeah, it was too low.
Spencer, were you not watching the temperature?
I was. Yeah, I didn't have time to
Yeah,
react.
you watched it get too hot is what you did.
No, it was at 102. It was too cold.
Yeah, you gotta add some heat. Hey, you cranked it up too hard.
That fire's
No,
gonna be going for a while.
I didn't even get to turn it up.
Oh yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I kind of like that fire.
We gotta get out of here. I'm sure the cops are coming.
Who
That
got
was
a
big
car?
Explosion.
I mean, I didn't do it.
You got a car up here, T-Ray?
Yeah, I got a car up here.
All right, you're driving.
Oh, okay. Punch.
Can't believe you were standing too close, dummy.
How did I get too close though?
Oh, obviously you was too
That
close.
whole room caught on fire.
Yeah, it was a big fire.
You burnt everything but your dick because you were standing behind the brick wall.
Yeah, and you lost all the fucking supplies too.
Yeah, jerk.
Well, next time you do it.
I don't remember how. And I don't have a still. Neither does T-Ray now.
Yeah,
Neither do I.
you fucking make me one.
You know how to make them?
Yeah, I don't want to make moonshine no more.
But moonshine's the best.
Said, I
Yeah,
don't
it
wanna
hurts.
make moonshots no more.
It hurts. I don't like it.
Yeah, well, everything hurts if you don't do it right.
I was doing it right.
No, you were
No,
not.
no,
Wasn't there a song about how it hurts so good though?
Hell yeah.
Ooh, you punch me and it hurts so good.
That's the one.
Alright, take a look at the pretty lights there, dummies.
Wait, you should be going to pillbox. It's closer.
There's his pillbox.
Where the fuck way are you going?
South.
The subway.
All right.
I think I just saw the rescue.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Can't believe you done blowed yourself up.
He took someone with him, so that's pretty good.
You cook Sean like a dummy.
No, I do not.
Yeah,
Hey, Shine
you
for
do.
Dummies.
Yeah, that's what you need to be reading, Sean for Dummies.
Yeah, go.
Maybe
some reading
don't even
going
gotta
on.
read it. You could probably get it on a CD-ROM
Yeah, for what?
to learn
so
it.
you can listen.
Yeah, learn it.
Read.
Put it
I'm
on-
not cooking it next time.
You put it on a
Charlie is.
computer.
Yeah, Charlie's cooking the next one.
Well, you each got.
Oh,
Back her up.
we both lost one.
Yeah, we did. Oh yeah, he's way back there.
Hey, get your clown.
I'm getting him.
You probably gotta drop him first. Quit fucking around, Katie. Put your seatbelt on. Oh, Spencer, if I had $1 every time you jumped out the car.
You'd have no money, but if I had $1 every time you threw me.
No, see, it doesn't work that way.
Hell yeah, it does.
I'm carrying you. You jumped out.
No, you threw me.
I could fucking leave you somewhere.
Yeah, but then you're not gonna get any moonshine.
We're not getting it anyways.
Yeah, I still have a shit ton of corn, water, and yeast. We just need to still.
Yeah, that's like the most fucking important part.
Yeah, I don't care.
That's kind of like really important, Spencer.
Well, go buy a new one.
It's not a buy kind of option.
Yeah, it could be if somebody had enough of them and wanted money.
Yeah, there you go. Start reaching out and see who has extra skills for sale.
All right. Yeah, as soon as I can.
I
feel my
think we just
fingers
need
again.
to. I think we just need to learn how to make them.
Make what?
Still.
The shiners.
Still what?
Yeah, we gotta make them
You make what?
for moonshine.
No, we got to make for moonshine.
We gotta figure it out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to be blowed up and no more though.
Yeah,
you
fucking
know?
do better.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not cooking it. All I know how to make is
Yeah,
sticky
I
dressing.
know. You wasn't cooking it just then neither. You fucked up.
No, we had to hold your fucking hand the whole time too. You really.
Yeah, you
screwed the
even
song
sang
up.
the song and you fucked it up.
Well, then it should be apparent. I'm not. I shouldn't be cooking it.
When did you become a parent?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're not gonna
yeah.
take care of it anyways.
Yeah, he said set it and forget it.
No, I was doing it. I was making it hot and cold. But then it went down to 102, and before I could make it hot again, it blowed up.
No, you was definitely too high, not too low.
Yeah,
No, I was not.
You
It
blow.
said-
Yeah, you got too hot.
No, it did not. It said 102, and I went to go make it hotter, and it blew up.
That was probably 201. You did dyslexic.
Yeah, probably.
No, it was not.
Yeah, I bet it was.
I got my letters all mixed up. On Spencer.
No. I have
T-Rex,
two eyes.
You think Spencer's artistic?
Oh yeah, definitely autistic.
He's definitely artistic.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It means you can paint pretty pictures.
Yeah, and I'd let you see them if you had two eyes.
I do got two fucking eyes.
Yeah, one regular and one glass.
No, they're both
Yeah,
regular.
We got two dummies that tried to shine and they failed. Fail shine. I got too close. I can't read a temperature gauge.
Maybe we'll get lucky and find a goodie. Ooh, we did. All right. Not so much that time. Hell yeah, just found some coke and some weed. Nice. Hell yeah, and some fucking oxy.
Do you want me to see if anybody's selling a still?
Yeah, no, let's try to replace it. Gotta stop making phone calls.
Yeah, just put it on the tweeter.
All right. Yeah, I just tweeted it.
Well,
What's this guy doing?
Hey, you okay?
There's nobody in
Go-
there.
Go check it out, Spencer.
Yeah, I am.
There's no one in there.
Yeah, it's locked.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, all right. Bang it.
You know, you only bang turns. You don't bang straight ahead.
Yeah, I'll bang you straight ahead.
No, not with
Yes,
you
I
in
will.
front of me.
Yeah,
Yeah, bang behind.
Yeah, I'll bang you from behind them.
You can't. You're sitting up there.
Yeah, I'll find
We'd
a
have
way.
to switch seats.
Maybe if you turn around.
No, we'd still have to switch seats.
Yeah, if we both turn around, then I'll be behind you.
Yeah, but I ain't doing that.
You don't want to get banged from behind?
No, we'd have to do frontwards bang, but only going sideways or left or right. Can't bang straight. Doesn't even make any sense.
Yeah, hey, Charlie.
What's up?
I love you, T-Ray.
Thanks.
Hey, if there's some people working up here, stop, all right?
There's some cows.
No, I don't see no people.
Oh, just people in general.
Yeah, just people.
You gotta make a quick stop.
Do I?
Yeah. A quick stop. Just say hi.
All right.
Do you think they're still putting the fire out?
Oh, yeah, it's still roaring.
There ain't no fire department in Sandy. Yeah, that fire ain't burning out anytime soon. Let's go check.
Does Liquor Ace have beer?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, just about everything.
Let's hope there's gonna be people there. What was going on with the water in GTA? Like, I thought it was NVE, but then I had people tell me who don't have NVE that their water still flickers. I don't ever remember it doing that. Hey, what's up, man? You motherfucker! Swear to God, he tried to do something nice.
Yeah, what'd you do?
Sold him some weed. He stole it.
Did you get it back?
Hey, wouldn't sit down. Hell yeah, I got it back.
You got it back? Good.
Yeah, drive around front. I want to see if that fire's still going. Hell yeah. Someone got to tweet that out.
Yeah, I will.
Now, Katie, go look at the front.
Hey, what's going on? Yeah, there you go. Fire! Hell yeah, fire!
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know what you were doing. You're standing real close. Fuck.
You alright? Yeah, we got it's on.
Break out the marshmallows.
I'll take this seat.
God damn it.
You can have this one.
I swear to God. Hey, I need to stop at 24/7 up here.
Why? That place sucks.
Yeah, but they got something I need.
What, money?
Uh-huh.
Okay, can I get gas first?
Why can't you do it at the same time?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, jump out, Charlie.
I am.
Oh, what do you do? Oh.
God damn it. I fucked up.
Uh-oh. Dance, monkey, dance, monkey, dance, monkey. Uh-oh, oh.
Yeah, you fucked up.
I fucked up. I broke my lockpick.
Yeah, you break those an awful lot.
I'm not good at
all
it.
the no, he is terrible.
Yeah, I'm not good at it. Keep
Get outta
moving.
here.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Ow.
I was trying to hit the
moving.
car.
I was moving.
I was trying to hit the car.
Hold on, don't touch the handles till he gets in.
Yeah, I already touched them. Yeah, am I gonna get sick now?
The exact moment you heard sirens.
Yeah, shotgun.
I thought that was Ryan.
Yeah, who?
Ryan?
Yeah, who was Ryan?
The guy on the motorcycle.
Oh, it wasn't Ryan?
No.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Where are you going?
I don't know. 24/7.
I don't have any more lockpicks. I'm all out.
Yeah, hey KD.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, why do you think T-Ray has a cell phone holder on his dashboard?
Oh my god.
You don't know how to drive.
I do all right.
Hey, he just got out.
Oh, okay.
Guess he doesn't want to come with us.
Are you in the car or are you out?
I'm in the
Good,
car.
quit fucking
Where'd
around.
you go?
I had to, well, you know, the truth be told, I had to fart, so I got out of the car to be courteous.
Me too. Ah! That's all right. I'm gonna walk. Hell yeah. That's what's up right there.